Hi everyone and welcome back to the Winfield Public Library's programming. Today we're going to be learning how to add our own design to a towel, and we're going to be using some fabric markers. If you live close enough to the Winfield Public Library, you can go ahead and pick up a craft bag which will include a towel and some markers and some designs. Now luckily this towel is thin enough that you could trace through it, or you can freehand your own design, so that's up to you. So go ahead, go grab a towel and some markers and maybe do a rough draft of a design or print something out that you like, and let's get started. So the first thing you'll do is you'll create your drawing, or you can print an image out and trace it onto your towel. If you're drawing your drawing by hand, you can go ahead and start in pencil, and then I'm going to retrace over it in a heavy marker so I can see my drawing. And I'm just using some curved lines to create a pumpkin. And in the middle, I'm going to write thankful. So my curved lines on top and bottom. And I'm not worried about adding color. I'm just putting in a little design. Once you're happy with your design, then we can put our tea towel on top. And luckily this tea towel is big enough you could do a couple of designs. Once you have your design centered and where you like it, you can go ahead and draw in pencil first. Another tip you could do is you could tape everything down so it doesn't move. So I'm going to go ahead just really lightly with a pencil so I don't have to worry about my drawing staying in the same place. In case it moves, at least I have my pencil drawing. And you can skip that step if you want because it doesn't come out very dark, but it's just enough so you can see. Now we're going to go ahead with our washable, or with our fabric markers. Now, if you don't have access to fabric markers and you don't live close enough to the library, then you can use Sharpies. They will last, but you don't want to wash it as much. You want to be a little more careful with them. Now, with these fabric markers, if you've gotten them from the library, there are some tips for when you use them. So when you're done, you're gonna allow 24 hours for it to dry. Don't put it in the dryer, just let it dry naturally. Then for the first time when you wash it in cold water with a neutral detergent. Or you can also just wash it by hand really gently and then hand dry. Don't put it in the dryer. And I do recommend you keep this paper or something underneath the towel because it will bleed through. So I'm going to go ahead really lightly and gently. I'm taking my time. And it's up to you how much you want to do. I might just do an outline on this because I have the word inside. You can also layer your colors, put two colors on the same area. And you're going to keep on going, gently taking your time. Always cap your marker when you're done, especially with these fabric markers. That's really important to do. Take your time. And always have a plan for what colors you want where, what colors will look good. So since I have my orange, my green, think about what color you want. I might do a green. I might tie that back in. And you can keep going and add as much detail as you want. And we can also, the tea towel is really big, so you can go ahead and it's really awesome because you can do so much to this. So I hope you had fun making your towel today. And if you really like how your design came out, go ahead, take a photo of it and post it on the Winfield Public Library's Facebook page. And I would love to see how they came out. So go ahead, follow the Winfield Public Library on YouTube. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And wait for our next video to come out. I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.